Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional DOP. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on AWS DOP is: how do you implement blue-green deployments for containerized applications in AWS, ECS, or EKS? Your answer should be blue-green deployments for containerized applications in AWS, ECS, or EKS can be implemented using deployment strategies like AWS Code Deploy with ECS or Kubernetes deployment strategies. These strategies allow you to deploy new versions of containerized applications alongside the existing version and perform validation before switching traffic to the new version. Our next interview question is: describe the benefits of using AWS CloudFormation nested stacks. Your answer should be AWS CloudFormation nested stacks allows you to create reusable templates by nesting one CloudFormation stack within another. They enhance modularity, reusability, and manageability of infrastructure code by breaking down complex environments into smaller manageable components. Our next interview question is: how do you implement continuous compliance monitoring in AWS environments? Your answer should be continuous compliance monitoring in AWS environments can be implemented using services like AWS Config for monitoring resource configurations, AWS Security Hub for centralized security findings and compliance checks, and AWS CloudWatch events for automating compliance remediation actions. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of AWS Amplify console in modern web application development? Your answer should be AWS Amplify Console is a hosting service for modern web applications and serverless backends. It provides features like continuous deployment, hosting, and CDN integration, making it easier to build and deploy scalable, secure, and performant web applications on AWS. Our next interview question is: how do you implement automated testing and validation for AWS CloudFormation templates? Your answer should be automated testing and validation for AWS CloudFormation templates can be implemented using tools like CFNLint for static code analysis, AWS CloudFormation stack sets for deployment testing across multiple accounts and regions, and AWS CloudFormation change sets for previewing and validating template changes before deployments. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of infrastructure as code IAC and its benefits in DevOps. Your answer should be infrastructure as code IAC is the practice of managing and provisioning infrastructure through machine readable definition files rather than manual configuration or interactive tools. It offers benefits like repeatability, consistency, version control, and automation of infrastructure provisioning and management in DevOps workflows. If you are preparing for any AWS-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.